Hey everyone, so this is my room review on the Disney Wish. We are in an interior stateroom. We're in room number 6009 here on the Disney Wish. This is going to be Cinderella themed. So right off the bat, you could see the rooms here, the inside staterooms anyway, are very, very cozy. So we have essentially two additional bed options out. So this is going to be a pull-out bed right here. And then as you can see up here, we do have an additional pull-out right up there. So coming over to the main bed, all the main beds on the Disney cruise ships are going to be queen size beds. So we have a very, very sleepable size bed right there. I will say the only thing that I'm not crazy about in the room so far, well, first and foremost, the fact that the bed on the interiors are sideways when you're kind of moving this way, right, might throw us off a little bit from a motion sickness standpoint. But then also, I don't like the TV being right there. I think it's a little awkward, and it doesn't pull out to swivel it. So we'll see how this trip goes. We did get a really, really great deal. Disney does have a lot of great last minute deals on ships and rooms sometimes, so definitely be sure to go check out the parkprodigy.com if you want to learn more about that. But then over here you could see basic storage area just like you would have on any Disney cruise ship. I'll give you guys a glimpse of what the closet looks like. And then the other thing that we thought was interesting too, specifically for the interior stateroom compared to some of the other Disney Cruise Line rooms that we've been on, I'll show you guys the bathroom. But the bathroom is not, it's not a split, if that makes sense. It's essentially, so everything is going to be within one bathroom, which is a big deal for a lot of families, especially, you can have someone taking a shower while the other person is, brushing their teeth or doing their thing, right? But this is essentially it, everyone. This is my quick little review of what an interior stateroom looks like. There's a lot more details, of course, that go into any Disney cruise. So if you are in the process of planning that Disney trip, just be sure to go check out our website, theparkprodigy.com. We're giving away up to $1,200 per Disney Cruise Line stateroom right now. So be sure to go check that out to learn more about how that works. But until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon.